Alrighty, we have parked down by my garden plot here in Qualicum Beach here by the old train there and the big old stump there, but that's my garden spot up there. Up there, see? Garden spot. Yep, and so now we are parked right up here just off the road up by my garden spot. First of all, down by the beach there, it was a little bit windy, like super windy. A little too much for me. And the snow is coming down heavy in Qualicum Beach now, finally. It's caught up, coming up north and caught up to all the little towns along the way. And it's coming down real hard. And the great thing about being here, though, is that if we get snowed in here, I'm not stuck down on the beach. I'm not stuck at Rath Trevor. I'm right at my garden plot here on the side of the road. We're sheltered by trees on both sides, so there's absolutely no wind at all. It's really nice and calm, and and it's a lot better. And the main thing is that if we get snowed in, I'm right like one block from downtown Qualicum, where I can buy groceries, I can use the Wi-Fi, I can walk the dogs around here really good. I've got everything convenient around. If I run out of firewood, I've got the store up there to buy it. So, you know, let's say we're snowed in for a week or something, at least I'm in a really convenient spot here. And, you know, it's not going to make it real hardcore for me, you know, being stuck like if I was at the campground. It'd be a long walk to find anything. So this is way better, much more convenient and better location. Anyway, let's get the girls out and let them run in the snow. Ciao. Someone's making lots of noise. Guess they want out. Do you want to come out and come play in the snow? This way, come on. This way, come on. Finally, one of them's listening. Angel. And there's the other one. Oh, they just love the snow. They go berserk. Okay, I gotta chase them down. Ciao. There we are. There we are. Oh my God! I just finished dinner. Just finished having dinner. Yeah, it's a little late too for dinner. It took me quite a while to move and adjust everything. But anyway, it's snowing really hard right now. And if it keeps this up, it's definitely going to snow. It's definitely going to snow us in for sure up here. So it was a really good choice to move up here because we're close to town and all the amenities and everything we need. It'll be a lot better than being anywhere else right now. But definitely going to be snowed in overnight if it keeps up going like this, because it's really coming down, like I said. But anyway, like I said, I also just finished dinner, so kind of late for finishing my dinner too. So, oh, I think I'm just gonna sit back and listen to the nice warm fire roasting away there, and lay back and I don't know, go to sleep early tonight. Maybe get to sleep by 8 or 8:30, and then I can wake up early in the morning and see what this winter wonderland is going to look like out there. All right, so that's it for today, I guess, right, Angel? That's it for tonight, right? Yeah, that's right. Yes, that's a good little girl. Yeah. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Ciao for now. You too, eh? You too, eh? baby. Morning, baby. Morning, baby. Morning, angel. I got my two favorite girls here. My two favorite girls here. Oh my God, I slept pretty good, I guess. Oh. Ugh. I think it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Boy, I slept pretty good. Fire's still going through. Thank God. It's nice and toasty. There you are. Where'd the other one go? Oh, there she is. Oh, I guess it's time to get up anyway. Oh, get up and have a coffee, huh? All right. Get up and have a coffee now, is it? Okay, let's do that. We're gonna have a coffee. We're gonna have a coffee. I'm gonna have a coffee. You're gonna have water. Okay, let's get up now. Let's get up. Oh my God. Wow, this is my third cup of strong black this morning. Oh, it's just 7 o'clock in the morning, just after 7. And check this out. Check this out. Wow. It's still freaking snowing out there. Still freaking snowing. Look at my canoe. It's buried. My truck and canoe are buried. And look, we have some nicicles. We have nicicles. Look at that, eh? Isn't that cute? Nicicles and snow. Lots of snow. Oh my God, this is crazy. Crazy, eh, girls? Crazy, huh, girls? Yeah. Oh, this is not going to look cool. Look at this. Check this back door out. We might even be snowed right in and I can't open this door. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. I can just barely get it open. Look at that. That's at least 4 inches right there. 4 inches there. I swept at least 6 times last night. And we still got 4 inches of snow this morning on the deck here and the stairs. This is crazy, insane amount of snow. There's got to be at least 8 inches out there. I'm going to get out of here and check. Wow. Remove the broom from the ceiling. Yeah, let's get on with this. This is nuts. This is nuts. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's a ton of snow. Oh boy. Oh man, why? There, I got most of the deck swept off. Kind of like that. Oh my gosh. We're outside now. Look at the stairs though. Look at the bottom stair. The bottom stair is about 3 inches below the snow level. Wow, huh? That is crazy. That is a crazy amount of snow. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at it all out here. Look at how deep those tire tracks are. Let's check this out. Oh, it's hard to see, eh? Anyway, those tire tracks are deep. I'm going back in. Look at my chair. My chair is buried. I'm going back in. Stay warm, cozy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, girls. It's snowy out there. You're going to be buried right above your heads. Yeah. Let's get out there soon. Ciao. Okay, I have to go check the depth of this just because I have to know. So I'm going to try and walk through this stuff. I don't know where my actual tape measure is, but I got my tape measure from my sewing kit out. So we're going to check the depth of this over there. Oh my God, this is deep. Look at this. Woof. Wow. This is deep. This is deep. My God, this is crazy. It's insane. Oh my gosh, let's check this. Okay, we're going to check this right here. Right down to the ground. Right down to the ground. My God. That is actually 14 inches deep. We got 14 inches of snow here. 14 inches. This is insane. This is 5 years in a row now, minimum, that it's been crazy like this. This is not normal for us. I haven't seen this much snow around here in a long time. 14 inches, that's crazy, and it's still snowing. I'm going to have to get the girls out and see what they think of it. Let's do this. So the girls don't know how to use pee jugs and poo buckets. They don't know how to use those, so they actually got to get outside just to do their business. So come on, girls, let's get outside. Come on, outside. Let's go. There's one. There's one. She doesn't know what to do. Come on, baby, let's go. Out. Come on, outside, now. Come on, let's go. Get out, get out. There we go. There's two of them out there now. They have no clue what to do yet. Let me get down there and pass them. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do? Look at you go. Look at you go. You made it. You made it. You're buried in snow. Come on, baby. Come on, little girl. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. She says, screw that. Screw that. Screw that. Yeah. Somebody's out having fun, though. Somebody's out having fun. Anyway, they gotta do their business out here, so we gotta do it. Yep. Wow, look at her go. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. The snow is deeper than they are. Big time. Wow, this is nuts. Absolutely nuts. Nuts. They have nowhere to go but down the tracks of the tire tracks in the snow. That's the only place they can go. They can't do anything but that. So they got to do their business somewhere along this road here. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? It's a winter wonderland out here, yeah. Winter wonderland, crazy, eh? Just crazy. This is Qualicum Beach. Ciao. Someone's already home. Come on, let's go, come on. Let's go now, come. Come. Come, now. Come on, let's go, come on. Goodbye. Goodbye. Come on, baby, let's go. Now. Come on, hurry up. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on there. Come on, girl. Come on, let's go. Come on. Wow. Wow, that's like pulling teeth. You're covered. You are absolutely covered with snow. Look at you. Look at you. We gotta get that off you. We gotta get that off you. Oh, we're so snug as a bug in a rug. Cute, huh? Cutie pies. Cutie pies. I love my doggies. And our little wood stove is roaring away, keeping us warm in this winter snowstorm. Beautiful, eh? This is how we keep warm in a tiny house. Nice little wood stove. It's awesome. Just awesome. Can you see the heat coming out of the chimney there? Beautiful, huh? Nice and toasty, warm inside. Ciao. Look at all that snow on top of the tiny house roof. Just a mound of snow. Just a mound. And the truck and the canoe and everything just buried under a mound of snow. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous with the snow on the roof of the house? Isn't that fantastic? That is fantastic, yes. Nice. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Look at that, eh? Look at that. So, the way we stay warm is with the little tiny wood stove, and the way we feed ourselves is I've got, oh, what do I got? I got tons of eggs. I got some chicken thighs. I got some pork chops. I got vegetables. I got fruit. I got toast and jam. I got... oh, I got all sorts of canned goods, and on top of that, I stocked up really well with all the dry crunchies for the dogs, and I got a whole bunch of canned dog food for them, and they got some of the chicken they can eat and everything, so we are well supplied right now. We could last at least a week or two here with the food I got inside the house, so we're not going to have a problem with this blizzard snowstorm that happened. We are going to be nice and toasty warm. Got lots of firewood and lots of food. So this is how we're going to survive this. Easy peasy. Now the thing is I've got all that food, but it's been at least 2 months since I've been to St. Stephen's Kitchen there for lunch. I'm not sure if they're going to be open, but I'm going to go wander down there and find out if they're open and see and have a lunch down there instead of using up my food here when I can, because I'm in Qualicum Beach. I'm downtown virtually. I've got the soup kitchen there. I've got Ravensong swimming pool, so I can go and have a shower up there. I've got public washrooms around here. I've got all the groceries and firewood and all the amenities in the stores up here, so got everything I need here. It's better than being stuck down at the campground there. We'd have to walk miles for everything, and down to the beach as well. It would be the same. Walking up a steep, icy hill just to get uptown. But so we're going to conserve our food, go to the soup kitchen, see if it's open, and hopefully get a bite there, and then come home and just chill out, play in the snow. Okay, ciao for now. So I'm off to see if St. Stephen's Kitchen is open today and see about getting a free lunch again. Okay, let's move on. Well, their sign is out today, so apparently they're open. So let's go see what's on the menu. All right, let's do this. All right, here we are. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're open. We're open. Let's go in and see what they got on the menu. I can't wait. I think we're a bit early. Let's get some coffee. So look at what we got today. We got a chicken sandwich, and we got an egg sandwich. I love the egg sandwich. And we have hamburger soup. I love this hamburger soup. We got salad, and we got dessert. Isn't that fantastic? We got a full course meal here and a coffee too. This is great. So let's dive in now. Okay, I'm finished lunch now, and I'm heading back to go see the girls there. Let's move on here. Whoops, wrong door. Okay, we're outside. Oops. Okay, we are outside. Here we go. Back to the girls in this snowstorm. Ciao. Okay, we are home again. Home from the kitchen. Home from the kitchen. Can you see the heat wave coming out of the chimney of the tiny house? I don't know if you can see that. I can see it clearly. A lot of heat coming out of this little tiny wood stove. Anyway, we're back home again. Come to see the girls from my lunch. Hey girls, hello. Did you miss me? Did you miss me, girls? Of course you did. Of course you did. Oh, my beautiful little girlies. My beautiful little girlies, yes. Beautiful little girlies. I'm home now. I've had my lunch. Okay, let's relax for a while, okay? Let's play ball. Let's play ball. All right, ciao. And the tiny little wood stove is still pumping out the heat. Still pumping it out since I left. Pretty good, eh? Not bad. So let's lie down and stay warm. Ciao. Well, after I got home from the lunch there, I had a wee nap. Just a wee nap. And in the meantime, while I was napping, someone came along and they plowed the road. They plowed the road here, piled up this huge mound here. And so I definitely can't get out here. Can't get out of here until the snow melts and goes away. So I guess we just hunker down in our tiny little house. Look at our tiny little house with the wood coming out. The smoke coming out of the chimney. Nice, huh? Isn't that beautiful? Smoke coming out of the chimney. So yeah, we're just going to hunker down in our tiny little house and wait till the snow melts, and then we can haul out of here. So good thing we got all our food supplies and everything, and wood supplies for the fireplace, and everything we need to just hunker down. And we're right next to town. If we need anything, I just walk a minute or two or three and go grab something and come back. That's awesome, eh? That's what life is, living in a tiny little house on wheels with a little wood stove and a couple of little doggies. Awesome, eh? Isn't that awesome? Nice smoky wood stove. Smoke coming out of the chimney, I should say. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful, huh? So let's go in and hunker down and get warm and just relax with the girls. Okay. I guess we'll talk to you next time in the next video, all right? Ciao for now. Couple of little darlings here wandering through the snow right outside the camper. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Yep, just beautiful. I'm probably going to end up scaring them because I'm moving. No, they're just staring at me. They're just staring at me. There goes one. That looks like the mum. And this looks like the little one. The young baby. Okay, ciao for now.